Today we're playing this game. Survive a train crash. We're having so much fun. And today, oh, it's such a wonderful time. Oh yeah. So, what are we going to do? This is Steven, and I am Bacon. Of course, the Bacon King. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, you. Nothing bad will happen, right? Hmm. Huh? Oh, we're at the cave. This is a cave where we can be inside on a cave. Huh? Hold on. Oh, there's a laser. We have more stories. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, hi, Rainbow. Come on. Yeah, I know. It's so much fun. Wow. That's so cool. Oh, no. I don't think you were doing it. Right? Oh, I die. Oh, oh, yeah. So much fun. Let's and now. You want to do now? Yeah, okay, sure. Okay. Yay, Hero won. Huh? Yo, where are you? Huh? Oh, he was here. Listen, no, 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 no. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, okay. The train, next train is here. Oh, this is such a cool train. Let's sit down. Hey, wait for me. Wow, this is so much fun! Wow, everyone, look. Oh, do you want to see a bit more of this? Should I end the video? Nah, just joking. I know. Come on, guys, let's go play. Kimu, Kimu, are you awake? Oh, okay. Doing the parts. Okay. Oh, mine too. What? What am I doing? Um, yeah. Hi. Here. Oh yeah. We need to touch the red one so we can win. Whoa, this is so. Huh? Is that landmine? Don't touch landmine, guys. It might wanna, it's gonna hurt. Yeah. Oh wow, that's so much fun. Oh, color blue is my favorite. Wow, this was I don't do that. Yeah. La 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 la. Okay. La, la, la. Oh, someone else. Yeah. Oh wow, we should sit here. Wow, what a nice view. Yeah. I wonder what I'm gonna go next. Yeah, I'm serious too. Ah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, don't mess up the video. What is slow? So we might slow. I don't see. Wow, no. Oh, did I just something? Oh, Huh? You forgot? Oh, he's still here. Oh, look, those are ones. Yeah, I'm Emu. He's Emu. Emu. This is Emu beside me, and I'm Bacon. And this is Rainfell. So anyway, what the other last video? Huh? I want to look at that one. Would it be normal? No, this is so much fun. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hmm, I'm still not sure what to do. Wait, hold on. Is it the thing? It's still wait, dropper. Wait, isn't that dropper where we drop? Oh no. Oh, it's still a cave? That actually tricked me. Why is it black? Green? Ah! Oh boy! Oh, oh there, guys, right there. Rachel? Let me put. I think she's sleeping. Hmm. Oh, there it goes again. I think we have plenty of time. I think she's a yesterday. This is gonna be our last video, right? This is gonna be. And anyway, see you in the next video.